Disabling two-factor authentication on Splitit can help streamline your login process. Follow these steps to turn off the security feature. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Splitit website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings or profile section, usually found in the upper right corner of the screen. Step 3. Find security settings. Within the account settings, look for a tab or option labeled security or two-factor authentication. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. In the security settings, you should see an option to disable two-factor authentication. Click on this option and follow any prompts that appear. Step 5. Confirm changes. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. By following these steps, you can easily disable two-factor authentication on your Splitit account. Always remember to keep your account secure with strong passwords and other security measures.